In this tutorial, I'll show you a fully professional and amazing looking website. We have taken all the features and inspirations from world's top e-commerce websites like Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, Flipkart, and so on. It'll have all the basic and necessary features like a fully professional e-commerce website. You can sell any type of products, physical products, digital products, products with different colors and sizes, affiliate products, you can name it. We'll cover all the advanced techniques, like people can add products into the cart really easily. Then their shipping cost and tax rate will be automatically calculated based on their location. On checkout, people can pay using different payment methods like PayPal, credit cards, or even local payment gateways. So people don't need to go to any third-party website. They can pay directly on your website. As we'll handle payments, so our website should be 100% secure. Also, I'll make a real purchase so you can see everything is working perfectly or not. We're not finished yet. Whenever anyone buys a product, you'll get an instant notification on your phone. This website will have more amazing features like wishlist feature, auto tracking feature, variation swatches. We'll also make this e-commerce website 100% responsive for tablet and mobile devices. Also, it's optimized best for SEO, so you would get better rankings on Google search results. Just quickly show you what we will show in this tutorial. First, we'll add this professional header. On the left side, we'll place our website or brand logo. Then here, we'll create these menus to navigate through our website. Then on the right side, we'll have these buttons like the search. With it, people can search anything they want on the website, like they have come to your website and want to look for any product by their name or categories. They can do it really easily. Then we'll have this user button. Through this, people can log in or register on your website. Then they'll be able to manage their account details like managing their orders, updating their delivery addresses, and every necessary things for an e-commerce website. And of course, we'll have a cart button, which is the heart of an e-commerce website. This button opens a mini cart from the side, and when people add products to the cart, they can manage the products from here, like if they want to check out the products or if they want to open the full cart page. And right after that, we'll create the features section showing our store's key features. Then we'll create this gorgeous category section. If your customers click on this button, it takes them to that specific category of products we set up here. And then we'll add a product section that shows some of our best seller products. And of course, people can add these products to the cart directly from here. Then we'll create a nice discount box with a countdown. That'll make people visit on our store. After that, we'll show some of our trending products from our store with this cool layout. Then in this section, we'll nicely show some of our blog posts. From here, people can click on this button and they can read the full blog. And finally, on this homepage, we'll create a nice footer. For that, I'll show you how to build a professional shop page like this, and here people will get to see all the products we have on our website. And they can add any product directly to cart by clicking Add to Cart. Also, they can add any product to their wish list by clicking on this heart button. Then you'll know how to add this discount tag on products. Then on the sidebar, we'll add professional widgets like product search, so a customer can search for any products in the shop. Then price filter, so customer can filter products with price range. Then recently viewed products, so user can see products they have recently viewed. Then this category and tags filter, so people can filter products by the tags or categories. Now when people click on any products here, it takes them to the single product page. And we'll fully set up this product details page. Here you can see it has product name, description, product image with multiple gallery images. Also, it has different variation of product like size and color. Then the stock progress bar as well, so buyer can see the stock status. Then we'll have a product quantity selection and this add to cart button. After that, the user will get to see the full description of the product, additional information, and product reviews. Finally, some related product will be suggested in this area. So we'll put all of these informations and functionalities on our product details page. Then we can go to this cart page where we can see the cart in detail. From here, we can remove any product from cart, edit the product quantity. Also, we can see the cost and prices on the right side. Then finally, when a customer clicks the checkout from the cart, we'll have a checkout page ready for them to complete their purchase. In this field, they'll enter the contact information. Then in this area, they'll put their billing address. Then under this payment method, they can choose cash on delivery or they can enter their card information to pay. Then they can check their products and cost details like tax cost, discount, subtotal, and total. And here, if they have a coupon code, they can add the coupon code in this field and the price will be discounted automatically. And of course, I'm going to show you how to set up coupon codes for your products. Then after double checking all the informations, customer can click on this place order button and their order will be placed and they'll see a thank you page. We will create blog page for our website and we will be able to post blogs here. People can see the list of the blogs, and on the sidebar it has recent posts. To see recent blogs, also we can add more widgets here similar to our shop page. Then we'll have this single blog page and people can leave comments or reply in the post. We'll create a contact page totally from scratch, step by step. Here we'll create a nice banner for contact page, then some support informations like contact details, email address, and then we'll have a map to locate our physical store. Then of course we'll have a contact form so users can message us with their name, email, and the main message. And then we'll finish with the CTA section and the client section.